Are you ready for some more live racing? Well, Wishbone makes his move for the sixth race. And now, he's Wishbone. They're off. 2 and 3, 236. 236 out of the box, looking good. 236, 7, 1, 4, 5, and 8. And now into the first turn. It's still the 2 and 3. It's 3, 2. 3, 2, 6, 7. 3, 2, 6, and 7. The Greyhounds down the backstretch. It's the 3, 2, 6, and 7, 5. Here they come into the final turn. And down the stretch they come. It's the 3. Look at the 6 come strong on the side. Too late. 3, 2, 6 under the wire. Please hold all tickets. 3, 2,